Hi guys, nandito si Kakasi. My real name is Cassidy Chris E. Mandayo, and my users are at 9, I think. Yes, and I was born in October October 16, 2016. Let's get into it. And my dream is to be a famous YouTuber. I know it's just a dream, but I really wanted to be. So let's get it. And my Apple Pen is fake because this has substrate and this one, but it still works. The only problem is bends. That's my mom. Don't be sorry if these are disturbing. And thank you for everything and your support. I tried everything, and some of the ideas I get is from cousin from Tokagora, and I give credits, okay? I did not steal. I give credits and I ask permission that I think she will be a reply on 2 days or 1 day. I am his biggest fan. I'm just gonna change a little bit. Wait lang guys ha. Okay, and book. Okay. Here. This is the moves. Okay, the destiny and near. I don't have any facts. That's why I only post in the original house. But still, I'm just a kid making videos. Because, do you remember Cassidy Chris E. Mandayo, who quit his video? You know, I am the one. I am the one who decided to quit my videos. Cause I am Cassidy Chris E. Mandayo. When I saw I could not come back with my Google account, I cried for hours and hours. All my hard work was gone, and I decided to not give up. So guys, if you're thinking you should give up because you lost your parents' account or your